1 in 4 adults in the US lives with a disability. If your Angular app ignores accessibility, you're literally leaving people behind. ARIA attributes are the key to bridging that gap. ARIA stands for Accessible Rich Internet Applications. It's a set of attributes that provide extra information to assistive technologies like screen readers. The core attributes you'll use most often are aria-label for labeling elements that lack visible text, aria-label by for referencing existing labels by ID, aria-describe by for adding descriptions, aria-hidden to hide decorative elements from screen readers, and the role attribute to define the purpose of custom components. These attributes transform silent UI into something assistive technologies can understand and announce. Here's why ARIA matters in Angular. Modern apps have dynamic content and custom components that don't have native semantic meaning. A div styled as a button isn't recognized as interactive by a screen reader. ARIA fills this gap. When you add role equals button and aria pressed to a custom toggle, screen readers can announce it's a button and whether it's pressed. When content updates dynamically, aria-live regions tell screen readers to announce changes immediately. Without ARIA, screen reader users experience a silent, confusing interface. In Angular, you bind aria attributes using the attra prefix. For example, attra.aria-label equals your expression. This ensures Angular properly sets the attribute on the DOM. Angular CDK provides the A11Y module with utilities like Live Announcer for programmatic announcements and Focus Trap for managing keyboard focus. Here's a real example, a custom drop-down component. You bind attra.area-expanded to track open state, attra.area controls to link the button to the menu, and role equals menu on the drop-down itself. One critical rule: always prefer native HTML semantics over ARIA. Use a real button element instead of a div with role equals button. ARIA is for filling gaps, not replacing semantic HTML. ARIA attributes make your Angular apps accessible by giving assistive technologies the context they need to interpret dynamic content. Master these, and you'll build inclusive experiences. Practice more Angular questions at interviewmentor.app. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.